In today's video, we're going to be talking about silver and gold standing strong. We're going to be talking about the bipartisan infrastructure deal that was just passed. And we're also going to be talking about why Tesla stock is falling. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about both silver and gold because according to the spot price, the precious metals are having a pretty good day. You want to know who's not having a good day? Tesla shareholders. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. I really appreciate it. And make sure to go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull. The link will be in the description. If you refer 3 friends before the end of the month, they're going to give you a free share of Apple worth about $150 right now. Webull link in the description. So today is Monday, November 8th, 2021. Just wrapped up a Monday morning market open live stream in the VIP club, which is what we do every single Monday. The spot price of silver is $24.34. It's up 0.83% or up 20 cents. Nice green day for silver. And then as for the spot price of gold, it's currently $1,822.50, up 0.25% or up $4.50. A pretty okay, decent green day for gold as well. And of course, the gold to silver ratio is in the 74 to 75 to 1 range. But again, that's as I'm filming the video, not as I'm editing, posting, or as you're watching. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. So before we can even really get into the silver and the gold, I wanted to quickly talk about the bipartisan infrastructure deal that was just passed over the weekend. This is something that we've been waiting on. This is something that's been up in the air. This is something that kept getting kicked down the road further and further and further and further. Well, at the current state, all that's left is for 46 to sign it, and then boom, the infrastructure stimulus, whatever you want to call it, deal will officially be coming to fruition. But don't get too excited or don't get too angry, whichever side of the fence you're on. We got a whole different ball game coming up later this month and into December. So that's still all up in the air at this point. And now, in addition to that, I also wanted to talk about Tesla stock. Now, for those of you who follow me on Twitter, you'll know that last night around 10 p.m. I posted something. I had tweeted out asking if anybody else was expecting a drop in Tesla share price tomorrow when the market opened up. I tweeted this on Sunday. And the reason for this is because I was checking out something that a couple people were talking about. A lot of people were saying that Elon Musk was being crazy on Twitter again. So that's always entertaining, so I had to go and check it out. And I found this poll that he posted on Saturday, and the question was, much is made lately of unrealized gains being means of tax avoidance. So I propose selling 10% of my Tesla stock. Do you support this? Yes or no? Now, before we even get into the 58% of people who voted yes, and the poll is closed, it was timed, it had a time limit on it. So that's it. Those are the final results. Before we even really get into that, I just wanted to point out that Elon says and does a lot of stuff very strategically to kind of make it so that other people make things happen so that he's not personally responsible for making things happen. And I wanted to say that really quick because he followed up with that poll by saying, I will abide by the results of this poll, whichever way it goes. And then he followed up again by saying, note, I do not take a cash salary or bonus from anywhere. I only have stock. Thus, the only way for me to pay taxes personally is to sell stock. Now, the reason I brought up the fact that he kind of does things to move the needle so that other people move the needle is because I think he kind of trolled people into voting yes, so he had an excuse to sell. Because this isn't the first time he had talked about the share price of Tesla. He's actually said a lot of stuff and he's gotten in trouble plenty of times in the past. But there was this one time, I think it was 2019, I could be mistaken, but I remember him tweeting out that Tesla stock was overvalued. And that was a year and a half, maybe even 2 years ago at this point. And he's been kind of alluding to that as of recently as well. So it kind of makes me wonder if he just kind of trolled people into voting yes. And then he followed up by saying, hey, I'll do whatever the results tell me to do. So at this point, it might actually be illegal for him to not sell. But regardless, my honest expectation was that there were going to be a lot of people selling off their positions with Tesla come Monday morning, aka today. And I ended up being correct because the stock price of Tesla, I mean, right now it's currently sitting at $1,149.22. It's down about 6%. And I didn't get a screenshot, but it went over 6%. I think it went down to 6.25. But this is the screenshot that I took at 9:30 a.m. As soon as the market opened up. The first thing I did was check Tesla. So take that for what it is. And just in case anybody else was wondering how the stock market in general is responding today, the S&P 500 is up 0.23%, the Dow Jones is up 0.43%, and the Nasdaq is up 0.25%. Once again, speaking of stocks, make sure to get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull. The link will be in the description. If you refer 3 friends before the end of the month, they're going to give you a free share of Apple worth about $150 right now. It's so easy. Just tell 3 friends about it. And by the way, here's another promo on top of that promo that ends in just 2 days, by the way. For every friend that you refer that goes and enables crypto trading on Webull, they're going to give you $5 worth of SHIB. Now, I posted a video a couple days ago talking about how I got 2 $5 worth. The first one was about 108,000 SHIB tokens. The second was about 87,000 SHIB tokens. Well, surprise, surprise. I ended up getting another one, and it's still in transit. It's still pending, but it's another $5 worth, which currently is worth about 89,000 SHIB tokens. So if you want your free $5 worth of SHIB, if you want a chance to get a free $150 share of Apple, and if you want to get a handful of free stocks, click the link in the description. Get on Webull. It's fun. I really enjoy it. But now moving away from stocks, moving away from Tesla, moving away from SHIB, moving away from the infrastructure deal, let's talk about the silver and the gold. Silver is up a little bit. Gold is up not nearly as much percentage-wise, but it's up as well. It's a green day for the precious metals. They seem to be doing well. They seem to be responding in a positive way. They seem to be moving in an upward direction, at least for the time being. Keep in mind it's Monday, which means give it one more day, it'll probably be in the red, and then it'll probably be back in the green on Wednesday, and then down on Thursday, and then up again on Friday, because that's just what the precious metals do. But speaking of the precious metals, we got a little bit on display today. We have the silver werewolf, we have the silver kraken, we got a couple of little fractional gold coins over here, we got some junk silver over there on the right side, and then boom, right down the middle, we got 2 rows of American silver eagles. These were the silver eagles that I had gotten when I first started stacking, hence why they are capsulated. I didn't know any better. I thought that they belonged in capsules, so I put them in capsules. I just figured that's what you were supposed to do. No big deal. I figured, what's the point of taking them out? But this was late 2017 into early 2018. This one right here is a 2018. We can actually go through them all really quick. This one is a 2013. I'll go through them fast because I know they're all exactly the same with different years. 2009. 1993. And notice these are all type 1s. They all have the beautiful classic look. This one is a 2010. 2012. 1987. I remember I got this one on purpose. This was not a random year. I got this one on purpose because at the time I was trying to get one from every single year, and back then the 1986, which was the first silver eagle, was carrying a crazy premium. Couldn't bring myself to do it, so I started off with the second year of silver eagles. Next up we got 2011. You know what? That's probably what this tube was all about. One from every year, because I don't think I'm seeing any repeats. 2017. I did end up getting quite a few Silver Eagles random years. 2016. Okay, so that must be what this particular tube of Silver Eagles was. 2008. Yeah, that was a goal that I had set. I forgot about that. Early on in the stacking journey, 2015. Early on, I just thought it would be kind of cool to get one from every year. And 2014. So, that's really it. No, these are not all my Silver Eagles. These are just the Silver Eagles that I picked up at the very beginning. And I thought it would be interesting. I thought it would be kind of cool to try, at least try, to get one from every year. And I got however many years it is. Anyway, my plan for the rest of this year is to not get any more Silver Eagles. Unfortunately, to be honest with you, moving into next year, I don't think I'll be getting any more Silver Eagles. I don't even know if I ever really plan on stacking Silver Eagles again. If the premiums are as high as they are on Silver Eagles right now, I personally see no real reason to stack them. And a lot of people will make the argument that you shouldn't worry too much about the premiums if you truly believe that the spot price is going to be going up, which I would have to agree with. If a premium on top of the spot price totals up to significantly less than where you think silver is going to go anyway, I mean, spot price of silver is what, about $23, $24. Stack price with premium on top of that brings it up to maybe $26, $27, $28, let's just say. Do you think that the spot price is going to go up to $26, $27, $28 and max out at that point? Or do you think that the spot price is going to go above and beyond $30, $40, $50, $80, $100, potentially even beyond that? If that's what you truly believe, you shouldn't really be too concerned about what the premiums are looking like today. However, my argument to that argument, my counter argument, I should say, is that sure, we probably shouldn't be worrying too much about the premiums because spot price, I personally believe, is going to go up. But why pay more? Why pay a higher premium for a Silver Eagle when I can pay a lower premium for a Silver Maple? I'm getting a troy ounce of silver out of it either way. Why pay more for a Silver Eagle when I can get a little silver bar? Why pay more for a Silver Eagle when I can get a troy ounce of silver worth of 90%? Either way, it's a troy ounce of silver, but I'd be paying more for the Silver Eagle. That's just my take on it. That's just how I see it. I'm personally not overly concerned about premiums nowadays. I try not to even really talk about premiums that much because it seems to be all anybody wants to talk about. But it's true at the end of the day. If you truly believe that silver is going to go above and beyond where it's currently sitting, premium included, you shouldn't really worry too much about the premiums. And it goes that way for stocks as well. I'll use a quick example. A lot of people will not want to buy more of a certain stock because they don't want to increase their average cost. A stock that, let's just say, is $800 right now, their average cost is $400. They're like, I can't buy it at $800. It's going to bring my average cost up closer to $500, and I want to keep it at $400. And you ask them, well, where do you think the stock price is going? They'll say, probably about $1,300. Well, if it's going to $1,300, what difference does it make if your average cost is $400 or $500? If it's going to $1,300 in your head, what difference does it make? See, that's how I see it when it comes to silver as well. That premium on top of whatever the spot price is, at this point, I think for the most part, we just need to get it out of our heads that it's a premium. Just pretend that premiums don't even exist. Just blend the two together. That's what stack price is. Stack price nowadays is just simply $5 tacked onto whatever the spot price is. Just assume that's the spot price. Just tell yourself that that's what the spot price is and run with it that way. That's what I've been doing. That's why I've been stacking the 90% silver the way that I've been stacking it. I haven't even been thinking about it. Pretty much this entire year had gone by. I haven't even really factored it in that much. I just know that at my local coin shop, 90% is the cheapest silver you can get. A lot of other people at their local coin shop, generic silver is the cheapest they can get. And if that's the case, fine. Go with the generics. Or pay a higher premium and just get what you prefer. It doesn't matter. Get whatever you want to get. I just personally want to get whatever the cheapest silver is. And it used to be, for me anyway, it used to be generic silver rounds. That was the cheapest silver I could get, which is why I was stacking generic silver rounds. Nowadays, the cheapest silver I can get, 90%, primarily Washington quarters. So guess what? I'm going to be stacking almost exclusively 90% Washington silver quarters. That's just what I want to get. That's what makes the most sense to me. And the way I've been stacking for the last 11 months, this whole year, it's been automated. I don't even think about it. I haven't gotten a whole lot of silver online this year. I can get it from the local coin shop and support a small business, which is what I prefer doing. But if I'm going to stop by the local coin shop, I don't even have to think about it. Stop by. I know how much cash I have on me. And pick up however much silver I know that I can get. I don't even think about it. That's what I've been trying to do this year. I've been trying to automate as much as I possibly can. Not just when it comes to stacking, when it comes to pretty much everything. Trying to simplify everything, automate as much as possible, less for me to worry about, less for me to think about, less for me to do. And it's been working very well. I haven't even really considered premiums this year. Yeah, premiums are higher than they used to be. Yeah, there's not anything in the world we can do about that, so it's not worth being frustrated about. That's how I see it. Stomping my feet and pounding my fist on the table is not going to lower the premium, so I'm going to continue stacking silver and not worry about it. I personally believe it'll all level out. I think it'll all average out. I think it'll all make sense in the long run. I think the premium that's on top of what the spot price of silver is right now isn't even going to compare to where silver is going to be going, give it another 5, 10, 15 years. I think in the long run, it'll all make perfect sense. But I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. When it goes for really anything that we've covered, by the way, it could be about the infrastructure deal. It could be about Tesla stock. It could be about the stock market in general. Again, don't forget you get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull. The link will be in the description. Refer 3 friends, get a free share of Apple. Or it could be about the silver, the gold. What do you think of the current spot price of the precious metals? And if anybody's interested in joining the Precious Metals VIP Club, it's where I can do things on my own terms, not on YouTube's terms, my terms. I'm hosting privately held live streams. They're smaller and easier to manage. I'm posting exclusive VIP-only adventure vlogs. I also do giveaways, discounts, personalized promo codes, shoutouts, deal alerts when silver and gold is on sale on a variety of different websites. And of course, you can watch all of my videos early and commercial free. Come join the Precious Metals VIP Club. It'll be the first link in the description. You're invited. I'd be happy to have you. If you guys like today's video, please hit the like button. If you guys like me, make sure to subscribe. New videos every single day, 365 days a year. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Bunch of brand new videos over there. Go check them out. The link will be in the description. If you want to help support the channel by getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise, I would really appreciate it. We got the Consistency is Key design. We got the Mama Didn't Raise No Karen design. We got the Kraken Stacking design. We got the Lone Wolf design, and a bunch of others. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. And of course, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull. Refer 3 friends before the end of the month. They're going to give you a free share of Apple worth about $150. And of course, for every friend that you refer, they're going to give you a free random stock and $5 worth of SHIB if the person you referred enables crypto trading. That promo ends in just 2 days, so please move quick. Webull link in the description. But I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again, when it comes to everything shared in today's video, when it comes to the infrastructure deal, the bipartisan infrastructure deal that was just passed, and the only thing left to be done is 46 needs to sign it, which I don't think anyone has any doubt that's going to happen. When it comes to the stock market, or more specifically Tesla stock and Elon Musk being Elon Musk on Twitter, what are your thoughts on that right there? And of course, when it comes to the silver, when it comes to the gold, what are your thoughts? How do you feel about silver and gold? Standing pretty strong today. A very good start to the week. Moving up into the green. Silver is actually up significantly more than gold is, percentage-wise that is. What are your thoughts on anything and everything related to silver and gold? And what are your next couple pickups going to be? And do you even concern yourself with worrying about premiums anymore? Head on down in the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.